how to fix Face ID not working or has been disabled. If your Face ID isn't working or has been disabled, you can try many steps. First is to simply restart it. So long press the power button or the volume button, whatever combination it is, power off your iPhone and again go ahead and then restart it to see if that helps you. Now also make sure to check for obstructions on the TrueDepth camera and ensure that your face is also fully visible whenever you're trying to check your Face ID. Other thing you can try to do is simply go to settings. Once you go to settings, what you can do is go to Face ID and Passcode right here, and once you go to Face ID and Passcode, you can also try to manually remove the current Face ID by tapping on Reset Face ID option and add a new Face ID option right over there to see if that actually helps you. Now you might also want to check for any sort of software updates because it might have been replaced from your software as well. Now the last reason why I can only assume that this is happening is due to your unauthorized repair of your iPhone. So maybe you repaired your display because your display broke and then you repaired it at an unauthorized store for a lower price. That's when the Face ID could have been disabled. These type of cases have happened before and chances are that yours could also be one of those cases, but if not, then restarting and updating and resetting the IDs would most likely help you solve it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.